I called him a brother because he was following what is going on. He was busy preaching for, freedom and, that kind of thing. He was very active. Let me use the word. He's no other than this person. I believe my voice is coming out. So this guy is called Biafran Battle Cry. Okay. The picture is not all that clear. So this is him on a live broadcast with Shamaka Jere. That was a year ago, last year. And I think early this year, yes, early this year, he was busy accusing PM for, kidnapping. And that something happened, okay, at which I'm not going to go through that because I don't want the video to be too long. But he started talking out of point, turning like, started acting like a tiger to everybody that he wants, that he was busy, having broadcast with them like the federal government in the cabinet. The reason is because he claimed that his brother was kidnapped. And it happened that his brother was not kidnapped by anybody from the federal government in exile. In fact, some people said that his brother happened to be member of a Bubago. And this guy felt that his involvement with the Biafran government in exile and somehow close to PM, we shared his brother. I mean, we make his brother to be exempted from any consequences or something like that. The information is not all that clear, but he started attacking PM, attacking everybody. In fact, insulting PM to the extent that he mentioned that he was one of the person that was accusing PM that he helped him to design this and design that. This very guy you are seeing here. So I'm not making this video to expose him or to attack him or anything, but there's something I want us to learn from this guy's issue. Okay, let me say this. Having introduced him to you so that you can see who the person is not something that is someone that is hidden. He was talking about Biafra. He was following, he was a kind of part and parcel of what is going on. He has worked with Biafran government in exile, which many of us are not, okay? Then, he was one of the people doing, organizing broadcasts, live stream to teach and to create awareness under Biafran government in exile. All of a sudden, he turned 360 and started attacking everybody. What I want us to learn from this is this: that you are close to PM or that you are talking with PM is not a guarantee that you can go on and commit or start misbehaving and expect him to shade you. That is Nigerian government mentality. You cannot be running from Nigerian government and start creating another Nigerian government. And I really thank God for PM. He's not the kind of person. No matter how friendly you stand to him, once you are not getting it right, he don't have any special preferential treatment for you. Because I believe that this guy, his anger could be, I'm not saying that I've talked to, that I've discussed anything with him. His anger could be that he was expecting PM and federal government to treat his brother, because his brother is that he is a brother to that person. And the brother is working with the bag while he's in the federal government exile. You can see the difference. Just like if Obiko, that was a part of PM autopilot then, and her husband is a member of DOS. These are people who want to, to lie to themselves. And anybody that behaved like that refused to define his primary objective. Because if you actually want to get Biafra, if you're actually on the line of the truth, there's no way you move quickly from here to there, or your husband is there, you are there. You know that kind of thing. It doesn't make it, like I said in our in our last video, second to last video, because I broadcast on I had a live stream on our second platform, Kai Report News. So if you are not, if you can go and check it out. I said something that I don't believe that it is normal for you to love what you hate. It's either you are cold or you are hot. You cannot be here or not there. Now, let me go back to the guide. I will share with you some of his. No, I'm not going to play all the video. This is program that he had with Chiamaka Jere and Information Minister Sana Barawa and 247. Familiar faces. This guy, if he had issue with PM, I think I made a video about this guy early this year here on this platform. But we are not going to let us just forget about the past and focus on what is going on, the reality. Because the program that we are going to listen to, he had this program. I think that was August, if I'm not mistaken, August 28th last year, 2023. Now, which is a year and 2 months. Now, listen to this. He was the one hosting them on his own platform, and hear this.
We have another comrade who's supposed to be coming on soon, just for the Biafra Voice 247 TV. Will be coming out soon to give us his word as well. But while we are running up for greeting and observation of what happened today in Biafra land, let me give my comrade to greet Biafra. And so, Baba, please greet them. You are welcome to the show.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Biafra Battle Cry, my faithful comrade. I greet you in the mighty name of Chukwokika. Thank you for hosting us tonight. And it's my pleasure to be here to join my fellow comrades. And also we have Mazi Ugochukwu Biafra 247. Fellow Biafrans, we are here tonight to appreciate all Biafrans in the home front, the Biafra de facto government in the homeland. You have all done well. Once again, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Day have lived up to the standard. The world are aware that Biafra belongs to us.
Okay, that is Chiamaka Jere there. I don't want to play all the video. Let me shift it a bit. There's something I want you to hear from this guy, how he praised PM and everything. Then he later, recently, I think 8 days ago, he made another video, and you are going to listen to that before we end the video. I don't want to, go all out on him. I just want you to learn something. If you are working in the government in Ezra, or you intend to work with the PM, or you are maybe you call PM, he can answer your call. You can communicate with him. He know you. Don't think that because of that, because that is cabal. The same cabal that we are talking about in Nigeria, the same corruption is what you are having that kind of mentality. You need to delete it from your mind. Get used to accept your mistakes. Get used to, don't claim responsibility of your flaw or what you have done, whether good or bad. Always stand. Don't expect. Don't blame anybody. Now listen. Let me see if it is here or there. Play here. Let me see.
Yeah, fellow Biafra.
No, not here.
The first when they tried it.
Just a moment, because I've not downloaded the video, so bear with me. I'm not downloading it. I'm just playing it direct, so that we are not going to waste much time on this. And even Gaddafi was on the program as well. All of them are no more here, but that's not the issue. The issue is that do not think that you are talking with the PM is you have license That's the corruption. And PM is not. I thank God he's not going to give you that kind of chance. So that's just number. That's just it. That is just it, because some people believe that that's the best way to go. You can do anything and expect him to ignore it because he know you. No. Just a moment.
Our Prime Minister have said that the one you are attacking.
Hold on.
Of course, you must go and listen to Sam. Listen, as we proceed. Of course, you must go and listen to Sam.
Wait.
We will use everything available to us.
Okay, let me start from here. Let's see how far we can go.
About Biafra and let the world know the kind of massacre that are going on in our land. How the zoo is spoiling us, as in invading our land, collecting our mineral resources to go and develop Nota. So thank you, Biafran people, and God bless you. As we proceed, I am with you. I salute you all. Thank you very much. Thank you, my dear brother. It's nice to have you on the show today. We didn't even continue. We have 5 minutes, but we will move on from there to teach other things. It's important that we let Biafran to know whose ideology that has keep this agitation going. While
now listen to him. This part is very, very important. In fact, this is the part that I've been searching for. Okay, all this while. So now we are here. Listen to that. Then after what he said, what he will say here about PM, then we now move to another thing. I'm not going to play this particular video again because I don't want to. I'm not analyzing the video. I'm trying to remind us something very, very important, that you praise PM and you are seeking praise of him. You are in contact with him. He can answer your call. He have your number. You have his number. Do not take it for granted. He's not a Nigerian politician. So that is what you need to know. Because I can see many people making that kind of mistake. This guy, this is one of his problems. I did not, like I said, this is my personal or my own opinion, what I observed from both things, and the bitterness in him and all that. He understands that this has nothing to do with the PM. Whether his brother is being kidnapped or he just framed it up, I don't know. But calling PM, dragging PM to that is laughable. Laughable to, and he's not the only one. Many have tried it and later confessed. Let's go back.
Our leader is GSS Donjo. No any other person except Maze Samuel Ekpa, who is doing marvelous work. So he's not just doing a work on his own, he's doing a work by a divine mandate, by the order of our leader in the Maze. He didn't call himself, but it's our leader who appointed him. I think we have to hear the voice. Of course, you must go and listen to Simon Ekpa. He's doing a very fantastic job. Very great job that Simon Ekpa is doing. Very, absolutely fantastic job that he's doing. You must listen to him and share his videos accordingly. Very, very important. He is bringing a new dimension to this very awareness that we are making. And you must listen to it very, very important. This new generation will get careful. Believe me, we will use everything available to us. And therefore, yes. We will use everything available to us and Biafra will come. That is, of course.
Now,
you must go and
you have listened to that part,
Simon Ekpa,
praising and acknowledging the work of Biafran Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, and we're playing the video of PM where he said that this generation we use everything available to us. Remember, everything available to us to get Biafra. Now, after he turned 360-degree as usual, and he started attacking PM, insulting PM, saying all manner of nonsense. Now, let us go to the video that he made a few days ago. And, you know, he I don't want to talk about his channel. The only thing I want to play, listen to is what he said. Nothing more. I don't want to. I need to be careful with what I will say because I don't want to drag anybody. The only thing is that we need to learn from other people's mistake. And if you are in Biafra, if you are supporting talking about Biafra, and you are in the cabinet of Biafra government in exile, and you are still having this kind of nursing one grievances or hatred in you, don't get it twisted. He went on to share a video, the same video that Uchechi shared. That is why I decided to react on this video. That's just the fact. So, you know, these people, it's not a must that your fellow Biafrans will be in the same page. It's not a must. But a wise person will choose the kind of fight that he or she will fight. If you are tired or you hate what Biafrans are doing, you don't need to come out and start fighting and making some utterances and sharing some video that
cyber attackers are harnessing artificial intelligence
that you may end up not be able to explain. The video that I'm about to play for you now is not that long, but it has a lot of meaning. After listening to what he said, the mindset and what he was doing, all of a sudden, the guy changed to the extent that he's not even using his voice anymore to broadcast. You see, he job before job. It's not easy. It's not easy. To serve devil is more difficult than to serve God. Forget it. Well, some people believe that serving God is difficult, but yes, it is difficult. But to serve devil, it is highly complicated. But let me share this with you now. The title of this video he have here. Let us read it. Okay, I don't want to share his Facebook name. I don't want to share YouTube name. Sorry, let me just read it. He said, shocking lamentation by prime terrorists in exile against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and ESN launching. And he made this video. Let me just share this because whatever will happen. Let me just share it. He made the video when as 8 days ago. 8 days ago. That's when he made this video here. Now listen to this video, and if you are observant, you will understand something. I will play it. It's just 2 minutes 57 seconds. Start from here.
This very decent security network is not an army. It's not the army of Biafra. When the time comes for us to create the army of Biafra, we should announce it to the whole world. It is merely a vigilante group, the same way you have a motorcycle and military Arab national vigilante in Nigeria. That is why we must all be very, very measured in how we approach the issues that confront us at this very difficult time.
Now,
These are people without vision.
now listen. Hold on.
They started using Dengon, going to Bushi.
No, go back.
Fair? Is this fair? Because maybe the guy no get friends or the guy no get guys.
No. Not sorry about it. I skipped the video. Just let me go back. I mistakenly clicked on something. The part that I wanted to pause is the part when PM started talking, and you yourself will see what PM said that made this guy think that Miss Yanen, that he said something that he shouldn't have said. So I will go back, please. Okay, just a moment. People can change. You have one. People can change. Don't trust anybody. Don't trust anybody. Now let me take it back a bit.
From our land. I have made it very clear.
So after playing the launching of ESN, okay, then excuse me, what's going on? Sorry about that. After playing the video of launching of ESN, what did he do? He quickly rushed and bring the video of PM where he explained the reason why Biafran should stop using the word chasing Fulani away from our land as a government, that it is against international law. Because Fulani is an ethnic group. The international community may see you as somebody who wants to commit genocide. And I don't know why, whenever they shift from the right path, their brain, their sense of reasoning will block. Have you noticed that? Anybody that turned away or started attacking PM and Biafrans, their sense of reason always turn upside down. This guy that was hosting Biafrans, broadcasting, speaking nice about Biafra, all of a sudden he cannot reason properly anymore. Now tell me, listen to what PM said here, and you yourself will judge this case. After playing to you the launching of ESN, and he played the video of PM saying this. Listen.
Biafra did not come. These are people without vision. People that doesn't know their left and their right. They started using their gun, going to bushes to start shooting animals in the name of chasing Fulani. We are not chasing any ethnic group from our land. I have made it very clear.
We are not chasing any ethnic group from our land. I have made it clear. There's a reason, and he will say it here.
If you go after ethnic group, you become a terrorist. We are not.
If you go after any ethnic group, you become a terrorist. He did here. PM was telling you what international law is all about. Under a government, like if you form a government, this kind of thing is what you need to avoid. Because ESN was formed. If you listen to Mazagano from the beginning of the video that I played, when he was telling the whole world what ESN is all about, that this ESN is not Biafran army. He said it's clear. And the reason why he said that, because you know that the Nigerian security force, they would have capitalized on that to go all out on him, because Americans know that they are not prepared for that. Now let's go back.
Going after ethnic groups. We are going after the terrorist army, police, and every Nigerian forces that carries gun. That is the people we are going after. Because once you go after them, you have uprooted the people in the bush. You go after ethnic group in the name of fighting Fulani, you are a terrorist. This is the international law that many idiots don't know.
This is international law that many idiots don't know. PM made this broadcast. Remember, Masakan is already in DSS. He was referring to DOS, claiming that this is what they're doing at the moment. And this guy, after all this while, he chose to descend too low to this level.
Go after Fulani in the forest in the name of fighting terrorists.
Now, he connected with the video that Uchechi played last on her ex, the same video that where Masagan was saying that the Yoruba name and in a different land, killing and all that nonsense, that he's not part of it, nobody should use his name, you know, that kind of thing. And they all believe that that video is meant for PM. I don't know who Masagan is referring to here. I cannot tell you that it's for PM or not. But that's a story for another day, because if Masagan come out and said that US are wise, like they're saying now, and that everybody that is against PM, they have their rights, then you have something to say. Like I always say, we will have something to say. We have something to discuss. I don't want to start discussing something that when the time is not yet. So let us assume that we don't know what tomorrow will bring. Of course, we don't know thoroughly, but let us not be faster than our shadow. Now, listen.
I love my people very much and they know it. I don't want all this, anybody involved. Now, I've been hearing about idiots talking all over the place. Some fools trying to be relevant because of Biafra or trying to use my name to gain relevance. I don't want it. I don't want any killings, no kidnapping, all this nonsense are alien to us as a people. I don't know where these animals came from. They are taking advantage of the fact that I'm in detention. But it should end.
Welcome viewers to Biafra Battle Cry TV.
Now,
Biafra is our religion.
after saying that, he's now changed his voice, and this is what he changed it to Oyibo voice. Welcome back to Biafra Battle Cry TV. No matter the leader, listen to him again.
Cry TV. Biafra is
start from the beginning.
Welcome viewers to Biafra Battle Cry TV. Biafra is our religion, and here in Biafra is where we worship. We are loyalists to the leader of the indigenous people.
We have to know that we are loyalists to the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. Who I don't know. This is about that you are loyalists to leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, which is Madakan. As if anybody is eager to know who you are loyal to. Nobody cares about your loyalty or whatever you call that. Your loyalty should be your personal issue. But he chose to discuss about it here. Anyway, let me not waste much of your time because the video is getting long. I wanted to make it 20 minutes video, but it's not almost 30 minutes. So let me just summarize it and end it here. But listen to the video or to the end. Let us play it from now to the end. I think you will still have about a couple of seconds to the end. It's not up to a minute.
The Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We also vehemently reject any activity of the evil beast, the commander-in-chief of gunmen in exile, a self-acclaimed prime terrorist who specialized in kidnapping innocent people in Biafra land in the name of IPOB. The prime terrorist has came up heavily to send precautions to anybody that should go against Fulani herdsmen. He is a terrorist. Please share, like, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon on another video. Thanks for watching.
Did you notice anything? All this thing that he's cutting video is all like, it's just to tell you that no, I am loyalist to Mas Nnamdi and the prime terrorist of government in exile. This is somebody that is part and parcel of the government. You know, our people lack wisdom. Just like you build a house, and that house somehow somebody offend you, maybe your brother. You and your brother started building a house, and because of your brother offend you, you felt offended. Not even that you offended, because nobody have concluded. You felt offended, then you turn against that house and started calling that house, a haunt, or maybe useless house, that kind of thing. How that you yourself join to plan, you join in the planning and you lay the foundation, you know the plan and everything about their building. You were praising and singing praise of that house. All of a sudden, you started calling that house a Fulani house, that because of anger that you felt about what your brother, you want to claim that your brother have done to you. That is madness. I want you to tell me what you think about this guy and people like him. Like I saw Gaddafi on the video that we played earlier, and I want to say something. I wanted to say something, but I don't want the video to be too long because I saw something on the video about Gaddafi. Maybe I will come back to talk about him later. But thank you so much for your time. Please, before you go, like the video and subscribe. Tell us what you think about what we have discussed so far. Share it and comment, of course. Bye bye for now. Take care of it. Thank you so much and take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.